My classroom. Today we talk about electrochemistry. We solve some electrochemistry problem without calculator. So please subscribe my channel and see the video till the end. If you have some problem, please mention me in description box. So let's start first problem. The ionization constant of a weak electrolyte is 25 into 10 to the power minus 6, while the equivalent conductance of its 0.01 m solution is 19.6 Siemens semi-square equivalent inverse. The equivalent conductance of the electrolyte at infinite dilution will be. What is the formula of ionization? Ionization means, ionization is alpha equal to root over Ka by C, where K is ionization constant and C is concentration. Now we are putting the value of ionization constant and concentration. Ionization constant is 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 and concentration is 0.01 molar. 25, that means root 25 is 5 into here is 10 to the minus 6 and here is 10 to the minus 2. That means 10 to the power minus 4. That is 10 to the power minus 2. Root of 10 to the minus 4 is 10 to the minus 2. We get the percentage of ionization, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 or 0.05. Then we know again alpha is ionization constant, a percentage of ionization is equal to lambda C by lambda infinity. Therefore lambda infinity, that is the equivalent conductance in infinite dilution, equal to lambda C by alpha. What is the value of lambda C? 19.6. we get 19.6 by alpha. Alpha is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. That means 19.6 by 5 into 10 to the power 2. 19.6 by 5, that means 3 into the 20, 15 4 6 that means 9. 3.92 into 10 to the power 2, that means 392. Unit is Siemens semi-square equivalent inverse. It is our answer. Now going to second problem. The second problem is a 250 ml sample of 0.02 molar of Cr3 plus is electrolyzed with a current of 96.5 ampere. If the remaining chromium 3 plus is 0.01 mole, then the duration of the process is our time. We required time. First step, let's start the problem. First, initial mole. Mole of Cr3 plus. It will be V into S by 1000. Our formula is V 250 into S 0.20 by 1000. That means point out 100 0. That means 50 by 1000. That means 0.05 mole mole of Cr3 plus left after reaction. Reaction or electrolytes, electricity pass, that is our V1 to S. That means acha, there is no change in volume. That means volume is again 250 into yes, strength is 0.1 by 1000. That means into 10 and 0.025 mole. Therefore, Cr3 plus deposit, that is the difference between initial and final mole, that is 0.05 minus 0.025, that is equal to 0.025 mole. That is therefore Cr3 plus deposit in gram equivalent equal to 0.025 into 3, that means 0.075 gram equivalent. Why we multiply by 3? Because it is 3 plus. We know 1 gram equivalent per electron, 1 Faraday. So total equivalent here 1 gram equivalent deposit 96500 Coulomb. Therefore 0.075 gram equivalent deposit 96500 into 0.075 Coulomb. Therefore we know Q equal to Ct. Here Q is 96500 into 0.075 C. C, what is the number? Current is 96.5. Putting the value of C 96.5 into T. Therefore T equal to 96500 into 0.075 by 96.5, 10,000 1, that means 75 seconds. It is our answer. The duration of time is 75 seconds. Now third problem. Is a Daniell cell is set up, be dipped in a zinc rod weighted 100 gram in 1 liter, that is 100 gram in 1 liter of 1 molar CuSO4 solution. How long would cell run if it deliver a steady current of 1 amperes? We first write the reaction. Zn plus CuSO4 arrow ZnSO4 plus Cu. It is cell reaction. Here we get the zinc is 100 gram. 100 gram equals to 100 by 65. That means 1.53 mole. CuSO4 is 1 molar in 1 liter. That means 1 mole. So in this reaction, 1 mole of CuSO4 reacts with 1 mole of zinc, but zinc is 1.53 moles. That is, it is CuSO4 is limiting reagent. So we calculate in respect of copper. Our formula is W equal to ECT by F. Here W equal to 63.5, that is 1 mole copper. C is 1 ampere. F is 96500 Colombo. E is equal to A by V, that means 63.5 by 2. We put the value 63.5 equal to 63.5 by 2 into 1 into T into 96500. Now T equal to 2 into 96500 second. We convert it into hour. 2 into 96500 by 3600. 0000 হচ্ছে 18. We divide it. 96 5 into the 90 65 318 3 into the 3 and 6 1, that is 53.61 hour. It is our answer. We go to fourth problem. The efficiency of a fuel cell is given by, it is del G by del H. Efficiency of fuel cell is del G by del H. It is our answer. We get fifth problem. Fifth problem is the degree of dissociation of pure water is 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 9 molar. Ionic conductance of H plus and OH minus ion at infinite dilution are 200 Siemens semi-square mole inverse and 350 Siemens semi-square mole inverse respectively. Molar conductance of water is, it is very easy. Degree of dissociation alpha equal to, we know, lambda C by lambda infinity. Degree of ionization is 19.99, 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 9 lambda C by lambda infinity means lambda H plus infinity H plus and lambda infinity OH minus, that is 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 9 equal to lambda Cm by 200 plus 350. Therefore lambda Cm equal to 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 550 we multiply it. If you some get problem, it's nearly equal to 2, that means 0 0 1 1 point into 10 to the power minus 9, that is equal to 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 6, so it's not 0, not point, 10 to the power minus 6 Siemens semi-square mole inverse. That is our answer. Okay, we get many other problem in the next class, so please subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem, please comment us.